Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today we are vlogging, and so I'm super excited because today it is currently Wednesday, and on Friday I am headed off to New York City for my 21st birthday, and so I'm so excited. So basically today and tomorrow I'm just going to be prepping for my trip, and so I thought I would go ahead and vlog for you guys. But yeah, so it is a little before 7 a.m. right now, and I'm about to head off to my internship, and then afterwards at 1:30 p.m. I have an eyelash appointment, and so I'm so excited. I'm going to be getting eyelash extensions, and I'm really excited, but also I'm kind of nervous because I know like this is like an expensive like habit to keep up, and I mainly just wanted to get them for my birthday, and also I've just been wanting to try them out for a really long time. And so I have that appointment at 1:30, which is also why I don't have like any eye makeup on right now. But I am about to head off to Dunkin' because I am so exhausted. I went to bed really late last night. I went to bed at like 1 a.m. so definitely not like me. I normally try to get to bed pretty early, but yesterday was not one of those days. So I'm just going to stop at Dunkin' before I head into work. Do you guys see this line for Dunkin' Donuts right now? It is so long, and I already moved up like 2 cars since I've taken my phone out. But yeah, this line is so long. Hi guys, so I just got back home from my eyelash appointment, so I officially have eyelash extensions and I'm super happy about it. They are a little bit longer than I would have liked. Like I think like the fullness of them I like, and like the volume, but they're a little like longer than I originally had wanted. But I'm sure that like as a couple days go by and like some of them fall, I feel like it's gonna just like look better. But I do really like them, so super excited. But it is now 4 p.m. so I'm just kind of getting ready to head off to my class. I have class at 5:30, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop and get like an early dinner because I am starving right now. I haven't decided yet where I'm gonna go. I think I want to just go to Firehouse Subs because it's just like quick and easy. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Hey guys, so I am in my car now, and I also like changed my outfit because I didn't want to wear that outfit anymore because I was wearing it all day and I was just like getting tired of it. But I just went to Firehouse Subs, and so I'm going to go ahead and quickly eat that, and then I'm just going to head off to Belmont. I'll probably get there a little bit early. I don't know if I'll vlog anything after class. Probably not. I'll probably just catch up with you guys tomorrow when I'm going to start doing like a majority of my like prepping for New York. So yeah. Hi guys, so I just got my nails done and I am so happy because they just look so good, and so they're gonna be perfect for this weekend, and so I'm super happy about that. But I just got my like normal red color that I always get. This is just like my go-to, and my like birthday outfit that I'm wearing is gonna be red, and so I wanted to have like matching nails, and so yeah, I'm super excited. But right now it is now 5:40 and I'm about to go meet my friend. We're gonna go on a hike, and so we're gonna do that, and then when I'm done hiking I'm gonna go and finally pack because I have not packed anything yet, and so I really need to figure that whole situation out. And so I will see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, so it is a lot later. It is like 9 p.m. right now, and I just got back home from getting my nails done, and then after I got my nails done I went ahead and met up with my friend and we went on a hike, and so I did that, and then I came back home and then just like showered and everything like that. And so now I'm gonna finally start packing for my trip, and I want to do this super quickly because I want to get to bed pretty early tonight because I think I'm waking up at like 4 a.m. tomorrow because my flight's at 6:25, and so I need to make sure like I allow myself to give me enough time to like get to the airport and everything like that, and so I want to get to bed early, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly pack. So this is the progress right now, and so I have a bunch of like outfits because I'm still not entirely sure what I'm wearing to my birthday, and we're also gonna be like celebrating my birthday like all weekend long, so I just want to pack like cute outfits basically. So I have my red dress that I bought from Lulu's, and then I have like this skirt and then crop top outfit, and then I have like the matching top over here, but I'm not gonna like wear them together. And so I have the matching top with like just a plain black skirt, and then this black crop top with my pink skirt, and then just like a simple black dress. and then I have some black jeans, and then just a regular like top, and then some leggings. So this is kind of what I'm working with for right now, but I need some more like casual outfits, like not skirts and like dresses, and so I need to figure that situation out. But yeah, that is what we are working with so far. All right, so I am all packed now, and so I have my entire suitcase ready. And then something that I'm doing for the first time that I've never done is I'm packing my makeup in my suitcase. Normally I always pack my makeup like in my carry-on, just because I love my makeup and like I want it to be with me, so I know it's safe. But yeah, so I'm trying that out because it just gets really heavy to carry around the airport and everything like that. And so I'm going to be doing that for this trip. And so I have all that packed, and I tried to leave like room for a couple of stuff just because I actually did some online shopping and I got it shipped to my sister's house because I knew it wasn't going to get to me in Nashville in time, but I wanted to wear like some of the outfits in New York. So I left some space open, and then this is what I'm going to be wearing like for tomorrow at the airport. And so yeah, I think I'm all good to go, and so I'm super happy about that because now I can finally like rest because it's getting pretty late. But yeah, super happy that I'm all packed now. Hi guys, so it is now Friday morning and it's like 4:30 a.m. and I just ordered my Uber and I'm about to head off to the airport to go to New York City, and so I'm so excited. But I just figured I'd go ahead and end this like prep with me vlog right here. But yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss all of my New York City vlogs that are going to be coming up, so definitely stay tuned for all of those. But yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!